Good morning, students. Welcome to the session 2020-21. I am Sheetal Oberoi and I am going to teach you science. Our chapter 3 is Fiber to Fabric. In this chapter, we are going to learn about what is fiber, types of fibers, journey of fiber to fabric. It means how we get fabric from the fiber. Then we'll see types of fabrics and we will also learn history of clothing material. Children, we see variety of clothes in our wardrobe. Have you noticed that there are different dress materials in your wardrobe? And even in the shops also, like silk saris are there, cotton shirts, your school uniform, towels, etc. It means we can say variety of clothes are there in the wardrobe. And in this chapter we will learn how actually we get these fabrics, means how actually we get these clothes material, that is for our dresses and all. So first of all we should know what do we mean by fiber. Here if you get a picture, so there are different materials shown here, that is telling about our different fabrics. Now let's see what is a fiber. If we see a piece of cloth minutely, so it consists of thin strands of thread, and these are still made up of thinner strands, and these are called fibers. If you see the picture here, you are getting, see here that in the picture fine threads the lady is putting up out, and these are actually fibers. The third picture is telling about these fibers are coming out from the material, and in first picture also, and in second one it is given the yarn, that is the roll of wool. So these all are actually are the fibers, and we can say here that fibers are thin strand of threads that are woven to make fabric. Now let's see here types of fiber. So here we know that man-made fiber and natural fiber. Man-made fiber means artificial, means it is made by us, and the natural fiber we get from plants and animals. In this chapter we will learn about natural fibers, that is from plant fiber and animal fiber. Animal fiber in detail you will get it in 7th standard also, but today we are going to see about plant fiber, that is cotton, flax, jute. So these all are fibers which we get from plants. And if once here we see about man-made fiber, that is nylon, polyester, rayon. So these are artificial fibers, also called as man-made fiber. Let's learn about some plant fibers. So first here it is cotton. They were common fabrics. The very common fabric in our wardrobe is cotton, and even I think all like to wear cotton clothes. In Nagpur we have so much hot weather, so we all prefer cotton clothes. So this cotton is also used for filling mattresses, quilts and other pillows also. So now we will see from where does this cotton wool come from. Actually from where we get this cotton. We get cotton, or we can say that cotton ball. We get this from the fruit of cotton plant. When the plant fruit get mature, the ball burst and the seeds covered with cotton fibers can be seen. So here I have shown you different cotton materials. That is this school one coat is there, cotton one, and here next is a mattress in which the cotton fiber is filled. And next here is jute. Jute is a fiber which is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. It means we get jute from the stem of the jute plant. Now how we get this jute? It is cultivated during rainy season. It means when we get this during the rainy season, when the jute plant is normally dipped in water, because rainy season it means there is a lot of water. So when this plant is dipped in water for few days, it gets rot. We see that materials which we keep in the water for a long time, so it starts getting rot. So here also the stem gets starting rot, and then the fibers are separated out by hand, and this process is called retting, and then it is called as a jute fiber. So today what we have learned, let's have a quick look about it. That is, what do we mean by fiber? What are the variety of fibers and fabrics? Types of fibers, that is, natural fiber is cotton and jute, synthetic fiber, nylon, polyester. And how do we get cotton and jute? So thank you, friends. And tomorrow we'll continue the next part of the chapter.